This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Eva Hendrick. Beautiful modern Craftsman style open floor plan with warmth and charm. This plan has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, loft, double walk-in closets and primary suite upstairs, rear load 2-car garage and much more. Amenities are too many to name them all. Open Thurs through Sunday. Call listing agent for a private tour or just stop by to see for yourself. This model is now under construction. Estimated completion is October 2024. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, hospital, and interstate. July 16, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Eva Hendrick at 757-549-2000.